At Hornet Cutting Systems, we're honored to have our superior quality products helping companies all over the country and the world build something great. For more than a decade, we've been doing the same thing. Hornet Cutting Systems has grown from a small retrofitting operation to an established industry-leading manufacturer of CNC plasma, oxy-fuel, and Waterjet cutting machines. We're proud to be 100% American-owned and American-made. From agriculture to aerospace, construction to steelworking, and beyond, our team of cutting experts is dedicated to helping our customers maximize productivity and boost their bottom line. Precision, quality, reliability. That's what our customers need from their machines, and that's why we're committed to providing great products with remarkable uptime at a competitive price, turning your capital investment into long-term profit. Hornet Cutting Systems makes the machines you trust so you can build something great.